Okay, here we're coming down to the last part of this ride. Look at all the houses down there.
Old Town Park City.
Old Town Park City. Let's pan around here. Wow. You know one thing, they're constantly building here.
Look at the guys on that roof.
Yeah. Those are not guys on that roof.
Yes, they
Those
are.
red things?
No, the guys on that roof, on the brown building.
I can't see
They're
them.
walking around to your right.
To my right.
How can you miss them? They got orange jackets on.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what they're doing.
I don't see them.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Over there, that old brown building.
Huh. Oh, well.
You don't want to look.
I don't want to look. I'm trying to take videos here. Come on. Come on, woman. What do you think I am? I can multitask? Oh, yeah. She sees those people way over there. She's a senior. She can't hear and she can't see that far. I know her. Okay, that's it. This is Park City coming down. Wonderful ride.